Do you want to make money in stock market? If yes, let's begin from the fundamental of trading, the candlestick graph. Normally, there are just two orders, buy and sell, and the difference you achieve in between them is your profit. Our basic aim is to maximize this difference called profit. Let's understand this with an example. Consider you invested 1000 rupees in stock market, bought an order for 200 rupees and sold it after 5 minutes for 250 rupees. Here the profit you made is 50 rupees in just a time span of 5 minutes. So now you know, stock market is the simplest and quickest way to make money if done rightly. Now, you may wonder, how does this variation in graph occur? What makes it to move up and down the scale? It is none other than the traders. The graph varies according to the buy and sell order of the traders in stock market. Normally, when the buy order increases, the stock market is positive and shows an upward growth. And when the sell order exceeds the buy, the stock market falls in reverse order, that is negative. So, the simple and basic stock market concept is buy at the bottom and sell at the peak for maximum profit. In order to achieve this and trade smartly each and every time, you need to understand how this system works. It should be explained in the next video. Thank you.